Welcome to Success Step by Step, the channel where we share practical tips and advice to help you achieve your career goals. In this video, we're going to talk about how to find a job. Whether you're just starting out in your career or looking for a change, we've got some tips to help you land your dream job. So, let's get started. Step 1. Identify your skills and interests. Before you start your job search, it's important to know what you're good at and what you enjoy doing. Make a list of your skills and interests, and think about how they could translate into a job. This will help you narrow down your job search and focus on the roles that are a good fit for you. Step 2. Update your resume and cover letter. Your resume and cover letter are your first impression with potential employers, so it's important to make them count. Update your resume to include your most recent experience, and make sure it's tailored to the job you're applying for. Your cover letter should be personalized and highlight why you're a good fit for the role. Step 3. Network. Networking is key to finding a job. Reach out to people in your industry and ask for their advice or referrals. Attend industry events and connect with people on social media. The more people you know, the more opportunities you'll have. Step 4. Use job search websites. There are many job search websites out there, such as LinkedIn, Glassdoor, and Indeed. Use these sites to search for jobs and set up job alerts so you're notified when a job that matches your skills and interests becomes available. Step 5. Prepare for interviews. Once you start applying for jobs, you'll likely start getting interview requests. Prepare for these interviews by researching the company, practicing common interview questions, and dressing professionally. Show up on time and be prepared to sell yourself and your skills. Finding a job can be a daunting task, but by following these steps, you'll be well on your way to landing your dream job. Remember, it's important to be patient and persistent in your job search. Keep applying for jobs, keep networking, and keep improving your skills. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on Success Step by Step.